Hey guys, welcome back to the Rockford YouTube channel. For this video we have a little PSA, public service announcement for those of you who don't know, on a safety recall from Harbor Freight. We've actually had quite a few of these over the last year or so, maybe 4 or 5. I don't think I've seen that many from like DeWalt or Bosch, Makita, Home Depot, Lowe's. They have their own branded products. We don't see that many safety recalls from them. They used to have the tagline over at Harbor Freight, quality tools at ridiculously low prices. They could call themselves something like the world champion of safety recalls. This is a big one too. Monetarily, not so much because it was a very cheap item, but I believe I read somewhere it's 1.1 million of these Gordon folding knives that are being recalled due to a laceration hazard. It was SKU number 97668. So I have a post on my website. I'll link it down below if you need more of this information. But safety recall, Gordon folding knife, the locking mechanism can fail to engage on extension of the blade, posing a laceration hazard. If you've ever had one of these folding knives, the mechanism typically is usually the same deal going on. So I think it was like a $5 knife. I guess that's what you get. You get a laceration hazard when you go cheap and buy a $5 knife. Stop using the knife immediately and return to your local Harbor Freight Tools retail store for a gift card refund. It didn't state how much the gift card would be for. I would imagine it would be whatever the selling price is, or maybe the average selling price. I don't know how they're determining the amount of the gift card, but as I said, I think it was only like a $5 knife, so you're not getting a whole lot. And actually, if you like the knife, I would probably just keep it regardless of the recall. But technically, you can't do that. If you own it, you must turn it in. You must turn it in. Let's see, the locking mechanism failed. Refund, October 4th is when it was issued. That was yesterday. Units, about 1.1 million. Oh, that's so much. That's $5 a piece. Obviously, not all 1.1 million are going to be returned. What if you threw yours out because it was trash? If you have history in your account or if you have a copy of the receipt, I wonder if you can just get the gift card by proving that you had purchased it at one time. The knife is stainless steel with black metal on the handle, 5 cutouts on each side of the handle. The knife measures about 3 inches. The knife also has a silver-colored metal belt clip attached to the back of the handle. China! I can't believe it. It was made in China. I really wish it was made in Taiwan. I secretly was really hoping it was made in Taiwan. Because you got all the people that are like, I wouldn't buy the China stuff, but Taiwan? Oh my God. Made in USA? Forget that. I want the Taiwan stuff. I was really hoping it was made in Taiwan. It would just make me feel better personally. It's printed on one side, and stainless steel is printed on the other side. Harbor Freight Tools has received 7 reports. How funny is that? 1.1 million sell, 7 reports of a problem. The item gets recalled. God, look how much money that cost you because of 7 reports out of 1.1 million. What's the percentage on that? 0.0001? It's very small, whatever it is. Resulting in 6 reports of laceration injuries. So one of the reports didn't even include a laceration, including 4 that required medical attention. I'm assuming stitches. You got the recall number. You contact Harbor Freight and get more information on it. Hey, if you want a knife that isn't recalled, here's some options on Amazon. Some good deals on knives that won't cut your finger off. If you're one of the 7 out of 1.1 million people. To be fair, there's probably a lot of people who had problems with it who just didn't report it. How many times have you reported a project to the consumer safety blah blah blah, whatever it's called? Probably not. Maybe the most interesting thing about this recall is how long does it take for a member of the Harbor Freight Ass Licking Society to turn this into an icon video. Harbor Freight is recalling 1.1 million knives. This is why you should buy an Icon overpriced tool cabinet. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. That's the best part. Just get yourself some popcorn, kick back, wait for that notification. Icon. Thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a like. Subscribe for an already subscriber. I'll put a link down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.